Calibrating the server timeout on your Steam Deck can help improve your gaming experience by ensuring a stable connection. Follow these simple steps to adjust the settings. Step 1. Access Settings. Open the Steam Deck and navigate to the main menu. From there, select the Settings option to enter the configuration menu. Step 2. Navigate to Network. In the Settings menu, find and select the Network section. This is where you can manage your internet connection and related settings. Step 3. Find Timeout Settings. Look for the Server Timeout or Connection Timeout option within the network settings. This may be listed under Advanced Settings or similar categories. Step 4. Adjust timeout value. Once you locate the timeout settings, adjust the value to your desired time. A longer timeout may help with slow connections, while a shorter timeout can improve responsiveness on faster networks. Step 5. Save changes and restart. After making your adjustments, be sure to save your changes. Restart your Steam Deck to ensure the new settings take effect. By following these steps, you can effectively calibrate the server timeout on your Steam Deck for a better gaming experience. Enjoy your gaming.